Now either I call it logarithm or I call it logarithmic function. Now I want to learn how to differentiate logarithmic functions. Now when is a function or an expression said to be a logarithmic function? Now whenever you see a function like this, listen. Let's say a function like this, maybe y is equal to log of u or log of u base e or log of u base 10 or ln u. So all these logarithmic functions are said to be natural log. Please take it. So how do we differentiate natural log here? This is very simple. This is very simple, please. Now in terms of differentiating this natural log, these are natural log, either this or this. So in any way we want to differentiate this guy here, this is the simplest way to differentiate natural log. Our dy over du. Why are we saying dy du? The dependent is what? Y. Independent is u. It's not always y, depending on the letter that is standing as dependent variable and what? Independent variable. So this is going to be u prime over what? U. What does it mean here? It means derivative of u over original u. So anything that is standing on this position here, is what we take as our u. Please take note, on this position here is what we take as our u. So let's try to solve some examples here to understand properly. I say derivative of u over what? Original u. Please take note. So we have known, we have to pick up the u. This anything that is standing on these positions here, please take note of this. So let's solve some questions here. So let's solve some examples, please. Okay, alright. Let's try to solve this example here. I'm going to give you guys examples, please. This is the first example here. Let's try to solve this example, please. Okay, I told you guys whenever you see logarithm of u base e, something like this, is regarded as what? Natural log. And the derivative of e said to me, derivative of u over what? Original u, please take it. So that means if you look over here, the dependent letter here is y. Independent letter here is s. So this is going to be dy over what? ds. So this is going to be equal to u prime over what? U. Please take it. So what does it mean here? It means I have to pick up what is standing as my u here and differentiate that line and replace as my u prime and pick up our original, that is u aspect, u here, and replace on that particular expression. So this is going to be equal to this my u here. So what is standing as my u is said to be s square of 3 plus 3. Now differentiate s square of 3 plus 3. This is going to look like this. That is s square of 3 plus 3. Differentiate this down here. This is just like polynomial. So take power down to the base, subtract 1 from it. This is going to be 3s squared plus. Now this is a constant here. Differentiate the constant. What is the answer? 0. Please take it. So our result here will be 3s squared. So this is my result here. Please take note. So I'm going to replace the derivative of this guy said to be 3s squared over the original is what is as u. Please take note. And u is what? S raised to of 3 plus what? 3. So I'm not going to cancel this guy and cancel this guy because it's not also common here. Please take note. I'm not going to cancel this guy with this guy here because it's not also common here. Please take note of this. Okay, let's take the next example, please. Right, let's try to play along with this question here. Now I have y is equal to 4 log 9x squared of 3 minus 1. The base is not known to us. Now whenever the base is unknown to us, it's the same as natural log. Please take note. That is falling under this guy here. Is that this guy, this guy, this guy, or this guy mean what? Natural log. And derivative of them is said to be derivative of u over what? Original u. The next stuff here is how to pick up what stands as u. Please take it. Now, what is that stands as u here? 9s squared of 3 minus 1. Now, that means our dy over dx will be equal to u prime over what? Original u. Please take it. So our u here is said to be 9x raised to the power of 3 minus 1. Now some person will be like, we are going to take out this guy here. No. Now this guy here does not have any s here. That means I'm not going to differentiate this guy here. But it's the same thing as saying something like this, saying 4 times log of 9x raised to the power of 3 minus 1. Please take it. So if I differentiate here, this function here, I'm going to get a result. Please take it. So this is the same thing as 4 times. Now differentiate this logarithm here. You know how to differentiate, right? Derivative of this guy over the original u. So differentiate this guy here. What will be the answer? That is 27x raised to the power of 2. So getting the derivative of this guy, I'm going to get 27x raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to place this to be 27x squared over the original u of this guy here is said to be 9x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. That is what is in the equation. That is 9x raised to the power of 3 minus 1. Please take it. So let's try to times of this. Now 4 times 27. What is the answer? 108x squared over what? 9x raised to the power of 3 minus 1. So you can see that the result is said to be as A. You can pick up A. Okay? So I will actually drop some questions on the comment section. You can solve that question in case. They might give you guys this or this. So let's solve some questions that are not of natural law. Let's solve some questions that are not of natural law. We call it exceptional law. Okay?